Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be carving pumpkin with my kids and they're really looking forward to this. So I'm just going to show you. I ordered this pumpkin carving set on Amazon and this is what's inside, and we have these 3 big pumpkins. So the first step is to take your pumpkin, put it on a safe place where it can't slide while cutting off, and the first thing to do is cut off the crown. The second step is to scoop out all the seeds and fibers and you discard them off. You can also cut some of the flesh inside because the fibers also stick very firm on the flesh, so it's okay to cut off a layer of the flesh. So the third step is to choose the shape of the carving mold you want. Now you can fix the carving mold on the pumpkin and tap the mold lightly with a hammer. Don't knock too hard to prevent damage to the pumpkin. So at this point you can use the different carving molds to shape your pumpkin as you wish. You can use the teeth inserts or eye inserts. That's why I ordered this pumpkin kit, because it doesn't give me so difficult time drawing and checking whether I've made the right curves or not. Mama zeigt dir so hier rein. Super!
Yay!
It's good, Ariana.
I feel the same.
Bila